This 2020 Jayco Whitehawk 24 MBH is for sale now at BeckleysRVs. Coming inside, you'll notice your control panel, which gives you control over all the miscellaneous functions of your trailer, such as your lights, slide, and awning. Moving into the living area, you'll see your sofa with a detachable table, which can be converted into a bed. Next to that is a flat screen TV, a multimedia head unit, and a fireplace. In the kitchen, you'll find your standard amenities: a sink, a 3-burner cooktop with an oven, a range hood, a convection microwave, and a fridge. In the rear of the unit are two 50 by 74 inch bunk beds. Returning outside, your unit has a pass-through storage hatch located on both sides up front. On the driver's side, towards the rear, there's an exterior shower next to your city water connection and tank drains. Further along is your power connection and cable TV hookup. The rear of the passenger side is equipped with an exterior kitchen with a sink, a mini fridge, and a grill. Next to your entry door is another cable TV hookup, 2 GFI outlets, and a freshwater fill. For more information on this unit, visit our website, links in the description, or shoot us a call and visit us today. We'd love to be your RV dealer. Welcome to the family.